Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm Fuji Dri-Chemistry Slide GPT ALTP3. So you can see this is the top view of it, and you can see the code for it is 3250. You can find the expiry and the lot number here, and you can see this is a 24 pack made in Japan. This IVDC certified product needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and you see there is a barcode over here, and at the front view of it you can see the manufacturing address by Fujifilm Corporations, Tokyo, Japan. And see, this is a very small, very handy cartridge slide box. So guys, to summon it up, this is the Fujifilm Fuji Dri-Chemistry Slide GPT ALTP3. The code for it is 3250. You can find the expiry and the lot number here. You can see this is an 24 pack size, made in Japan, IVDC certified product. Needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So thank you.